video room. Welcome to Austin, Texas, downtown Saturday night. The time is 10:15 p.m. and we're going to take a walk through all the excitements. Let's go. Okay. And this is one of the main downtown streets, is Congress Avenue. Okay. This place is fantabulous. I'll be masking that one for sure. Okay, wasn't expecting this. Right. What if? Rooftop bar, wow. Video room. These e-scooters are everywhere. E-scooter mania. A little bit better look at the skyline of downtown Austin here. There's just such an insane mix of music there that you can't really pick anything out. It's just the craziest thing I've ever heard. These e-scooters are just nuts. Kathy Shakes Chicken, kitchen, and bar. Say that past 5 times. This is kind of a more chill place, it seems. And Waymo. I think Waymo would probably run me down. You wouldn't run me down, would you, Mr. Waymo? He said he would. He doesn't care. E-scooters everywhere. Well, that's an e-bike, I think, over there. Times 2. More e-scooters. They're just literally everywhere. This wasn't really a mic'd walk because of everything that was going on, and all the ambient sounds were mainly on stage. Just a lot going on around here, but for Austin, this is pretty normal. They have a motto that says, "Keep Austin weird." I think they're adhering to that motto. What do you think? Let me know down in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.